So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the 3D wallpaper not working on your iOS 26, the latest versions. Now in order to do it, first of all make sure you're not on the battery saver mode. If the battery saver is turned on, the spatial effect or the 3D effect will not work. Now and in multiple instances people have recently updated their iPhones from iOS 18 to iOS 26, and now it's a glitch or something, but the previous wallpapers that have been already on the iOS 18 that you are using, for example your personal photos or anything, if you try spatial effect on them, it will not work until you hit customize and start with a new wallpaper. And once you create a new wallpaper, upload a new wallpaper, you'll see this option of spatial effect, and it will take some time. It says generating spatial scene, and once it analyzes the image, it will create that particular effect for you. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.